Are you looking to break away from the usual Easter routine this year? While standard egg hunts are a beloved tradition, did you know you can transform this classic activity into an immersive adventure that guests of all ages will talk about for years to come? In this video, we'll guide you through elevating your holiday celebrations with creative twists, interactive games, and unique treats. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. Here, it's all about great food, fun, and flawless hosting. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment to let us know if you want more content like this. Today, we're exploring how to host a truly creative Easter event. From high-stakes scavenger hunts to inclusive sensory experiences, there is so much to cover. Let's get started. First things first, planning a scavenger hunt adventure. Take your hunt to the next level by turning it into a detailed treasure map experience. Draw out a map of your yard or home with riddles at each location that lead to the next egg. To make it even more engaging, try adding a theme like pirates or detectives, and encourage your guests to dress up in costumes to match the mystery. Second, introduce a golden egg extravaganza. Every great hunt needs a showstopper, and a specially designed golden egg is the perfect goal. Use metallic paint or glitter to make it stand out, and hide it in a particularly challenging spot that requires some extra effort to find. Inside, offer a grand prize like a gift card or a special family outing to keep the competitive spirit high. Third, try a glow-in-the-dark thrill. If you want a magical atmosphere, host your hunt in the evening or a dimly lit indoor space using illuminated eggs. You can use mini glow sticks or LED lights inside the plastic shells to make them pop in the dark. Provide your guests with small flashlights or headlamps to turn the search into a true nighttime adventure. Fourth, organize bunny trail challenges. Easter celebrations are a great time to get everyone moving with a series of physical bunny trail checkpoints. Set up a path marked with bunny footprints where participants must complete tasks like hopping races or tossing carrots into baskets. You can easily customize these challenges by age, making them simple for toddlers or more complex for the adults. Fifth, create a sensory egg hunt for all. To ensure your event is inclusive for those with sensory sensitivities, design a hunt that focuses on touch and sound. Fill eggs with various textures like soft fabric, sandpaper, or Play-Doh, and include items that rattle or ring like small bells. This allows everyone to participate in a way that is interactive and accessible. Sixth, set up some Easter bingo fun. For a change of pace, gather everyone for a classic game of Easter bingo using themed cards featuring bunnies and spring symbols. Instead of plastic markers, use festive treats like jelly beans or chocolate eggs to mark the spaces. It's a low-energy, high-reward game that perfectly complements the high-energy outdoor activities. Seventh, choosing your candy and sweets. When it comes to filling those eggs, you can never go wrong with the timeless favorites that define the holiday. Fill your shells with a mix of chocolate bunnies, pastel-colored M&Ms, and chewy jelly beans. These classic sugary treats are always a hit and bring a sense of nostalgia to the celebration. Eighth, consider non-candy surprises. If you want to avoid a total sugar rush, consider packing your eggs with fun trinkets and creative supplies. Miniature animal figurines, colorful stickers, temporary tattoos, and even small craft kits like mini crayons are excellent alternatives. These items provide lasting fun long after the candy has been eaten. Ninth, include some healthy snack options. For a more balanced approach, especially for health-conscious families, try including nutritious treats in the mix. Snack-sized bags of nuts, granola bars, or even fresh grapes can be tucked inside larger eggs. This variety ensures that guests who prefer savory or healthy options feel included in the bounty. 10th, adding the finishing touches. To make the hunt even more memorable, try mixing a variety of rewards and adding personalized notes or riddles inside the eggs. These small messages create an extra layer of surprise and can even be used to lead guests to a final grand prize location. A well-rounded mix of treats ensures every participant finds something they truly love. Finally, keep the holiday spirit alive. Remember that the goal of these activities is to create lasting memories with your loved ones. Don't be afraid to experiment with new themes or ask your guests for feedback on which games they enjoyed the most. Each year is a new opportunity to refine your hosting skills and bring more joy to the spring season. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more hosting tips and kitchen inspiration. This is Kitchen to Entertain. Thanks for watching.